done wrapping up the subframe, dropping everything just inside, getting some band-aids at the bust of my damn knuckles. So we're gonna go over to Big D's now, pick up the freshly powder coated subframe, get that back here, get it prepped, and slap that thing on.
We request that you take a rest from excessive head nodding. The music will resume shortly after this intermission. Thank you.
Guys, wrapping up day 3 of the build and everything. First stage, not very eventful again, a very short video because pretty much all I'm doing is waiting for arms at this point. Big D's got the subframe, threw that up and everything, and yeah, I threw it without a hoist and everything. Sometimes lifts take a little bit too long. Eventually, we're waiting on right now is the ZSS arms to fit the lower knuckle control arms for the rear. Also had to pull the back seats out and stuff like that to get to make some drilling holes that way I can run the grommets and run the actual brake lines for the hydro brake and everything. So honestly, once the arms get in, I'll finish the alignment up, and probably day 4, day 5. Probably day 5 is probably gonna be the actual test. So again, it's one of those things where Corona is honestly, for the good shops out there, I'll say again, it's really been a pain in the ass, waiting on parts, even small stuff, little fittings and things like that you can't really go and pick up off the shelf here in Massawa and everything. One thing for the guys that are new to building cars and everything, I'll tell you is it's good to do. Anytime you pull an engine out, anytime you pull a subframe down, it's really good to get some coating on there. So I hit the bottom with the thin coat of undercoating. This car again had no rust on it, just topical scale rust to really bolt on iron parts. But I wanted, because this car is going to kind of reside in the south for a little bit, I wanted to go ahead and coat that. So threw a fresh coat of undercoating on there, and then it also makes the subframe pop a little bit. So as you can see, the subframe has a metallic flake in it that's kind of hard to see, and it really sucks because it's going to be under the car, it's going to get dirty. But it's one of those things. Like I said, I had Tommy Sewell on the podcast yesterday, and he was saying the same thing. Like, I know it's there. So it'll be pretty cool when you jack your car up and somebody works on it in the future. You see the nice bling there and everything. So definitely a really cool look to the car and to the bottom. And you know, your car shouldn't only be clean. Right here on the outside, it's going to be wrapped and painted and everything. So your car definitely should look good in all aspects, because your car, when it's something that you really care about, and even when you're competing with, it's kind of the extension of you. So if your car looking all ratty and looking like shit, like my cars did a long time ago, people assume that's how you are. And I mean, honestly, it don't really fucking matter what they care or what they think about you, but still, if you're looking to use the car as a tool of promotion and things like that, and possibly go towards sponsors and things like that, they want to have a good looking car to put their parts on. They don't want to have their nice ass parts on a janky car. So again, guys, thank you for tuning in for this day 3. Sorry for it's short, but waiting on parts, and once I get the parts in, we'll get back to day 4. Like I said, probably day 5 will be the actual track test. So see you guys later. Thank you for signing in. Thank you for subscribing, all the new subscribers I got. And see you guys later. Diane sign up for Massawa Japan up in the rafters. See you guys later. Peace.